pump, sensing that the pressure is below 40 psi, which means it's going to turn on and run. Here we go. We can see that pressure jump starting to pull. I'm going to let some of this air out right now through this purge valve. Okay, so we're now sitting right at 40 psi, which is the upper limit of the pressure switch that controls our pump. The pressure accumulator tank is what's holding all this pressure. And you know, we have our pressure reducer right here, which is going to run into whatever kind of Blumat system we want to put downstream of it. You know, this will come out at 15 psi. And then if we need to, you know, drain this tank or, you know, open this up, reset it, we can always drop the pressure. By releasing this, you're going to see a big pressure drop here. It's going to get below that 20 psi, and then it's going to start charging up again.